Take a ride in the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, keyless entry, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.